How to make money on TradingView. I am going to show you how you can easily make money on TradingView. Go to tradingview.com and log into your account. Click on Indicators to access a wide range of technical indicators that can help analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Review the price graph of the asset you're interested in. Understand its historical performance and current trends. Use the symbol search bar to find the asset you want to trade. For example, search for Bitcoin and select BTC/USD for the Bitcoin to US dollar exchange rate. Utilize the chart tools and indicators to analyze market patterns, support or resistance levels, and other technical signals that can guide your trading strategy. Depending on your analysis, you can execute trade directly on TradingView if your broker is integrated or they use insights gained to make decisions on your trading platform. Remember, making money on TradingView requires a solid understanding of technical analysis, market dynamics, and risk management. Always do thorough research and consider consulting with financial professionals before making trading decisions.